हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल ओमनी ज्ञान। मेरे चैनल ओमनी ज्ञान में आप सब लोगों का फिर से बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। सो फाइनली द वेट, ऑल द वेट्स आर एक्चुअली ओवर बिकॉज today MBOS has announced that the SSLC, that is class 10 board exam results, and class 12 arts results will be declared on the 10th of June, okay, which is the day after tomorrow. Okay, so and this is a confirmed news because after I received the news, actually I have checked it from the MBOS website also, and the news is genuine. Okay, it is not a fake news. This time it is not a fake news, it's a genuine news. It's there in the website of MBOS and I'm very happy. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, इसीलिए मैं खुश हूँ क्योंकि ऐसे कई सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिन्होंने मुझे मैसेज किया है कि सर we also got this news through different WhatsApp status, or maybe somebody uploaded on the Facebook page also, but we verified it from the MBOS official website as you have said. तो जैसे कि मैंने उनको कहा था, अब सब लोगों को मैंने कहा था कि आप पहले उसको वेरीफाई कीजिए ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट से या उन सब ऑफिशियल सोर्सेस से आप पहले वेरीफाई कीजिए। ऑलराइट, सो स्टूडेंट्स ने वही किया, उन लोगों ने वेरीफाई किया और उसके बाद उन्होंने अपना स्टेटस अपडेट किया, फॉरवर्ड किया वो पिक्चर्स, दैट इज ओके। ओके, आफ्टर वेरीफाइंग, इफ यू फॉरवर्ड दोज मैसेजेस टू योर फ्रेंड्स, if you upload those on your status, it is always fine. Okay, you are actually informing other students also in case if they are not aware of the date. Okay, so this time the news is absolutely true. Now I am not uploading any separate video on how to check your results because I think all of you know how to check your results. Okay, I will provide the links in the description box. You can click on any of these links. I actually feel comfortable with that link, make results. Okay, make results, that's quite comfortable, so you can click, or through any other websites you can check your results, and I think all of you know how to check the results, so I'm not making a separate video on it. And also please let me know about your results. Okay, आपका जब results हो जाएगा उसके बाद आप लोग मुझे inform कीजिएगा कि आपका रिजल्ट्स कैसा हुआ। मैं एक पोल डाल दूंगा, I'll put a poll, okay, on my community tab. You can go there and you can tell me what is your score or your division. Okay, and I hope that all of you will really be successful in your upcoming exams results. Okay, class 12 arts and class 10 board exams. ठीक है, तो आप लोग जो है मुझे ज़रूर इन्फॉर्म कीजिएगा आपको कौन सा डिवीजन मिला, कितना परसेंटेज मिला। मैं एक पोल दे दूंगा, डाल दूंगा, आप वहाँ पे जाके वोट कर देना। ठीक है, इफ़ यू सी द नोटिस वंस अगेन, ओके, इफ़ यू सी द नोटिस वंस अगेन, इट इज़ रिटन देयर द रिजल्ट्स विल बी अनाउंस्ड ड्यूरिंग ऑफिस आवर्स. Office hours means 10 a.m. okay, so it could be like that, the 10 a.m. class 12 arts will be declared and class 10 will be declared at 11 a.m. ठीक है, तो क्लास 12 आर्ट्स का रिजल्ट जो है वो 10 बजे आ सकता है और क्लास 10 का जो रिजल्ट है वो 11 बजे आ सकता है, एंड इट कैन बी क्वाइट ऑपोजिट ऑल्सो। ठीक है, आप उस हिसाब से चेक कर लीजिएगा क्योंकि टाइमिंग इज नॉट मेंशन्ड इन द एग्जैक्ट टाइम, इज नॉट मेंशन्ड इन द नोटिस, तो टाइम वहाँ पे मेंशन नहीं है, इसलिए मैं इतना श्योरिटी के साथ नहीं कह सकता। बट इफ वी गो बाय द ट्रेंड, अगर हम ये ट्रेंड देखें तो क्लास 12 रिजल्ट्स आर डिक्लेयर्ड एट 10 AM एंड क्लास 10 रिजल्ट्स आर डिक्लेयर्ड एट 11 AM, तो ये टाइमिंग होता है, जनरली ये ट्रेंड है। तो इफ एम्बोस फॉलोज दिस ट्रेंड, अगर ये ट्रेंड फॉलो करेंगे वो लोग, तो आप अपना रिजल्ट जो है क्लास 10 आप 11 बजे चेक कीजिए एट 11 AM, क्लास 10 स्टूडेंट्स यू कैन चेक योर रिजल्ट्स, एंड क्लास 12 आर्ट्स एट 10 AM। ठीक है, शाम 10 बजे चेक कीजिएगा। ठीक है, नाउ व्हेन यू विल चेक योर रिजल्ट्स यू कैन ऑल्सो डाउनलोड योर मार्कशीट्स। नाउ रिमेंबर स्टूडेंट्स दैट आप लोगों को आपका ओरिजिनल मार्कशीट जो है, जो एम्बोस से प्रिंट होके आता है, दैट कम्स फ्रॉम एम्बोस डायरेक्टली, दैट मार्कशीट यू विल रिसीव after some times. Generally it takes 7 to 10 days to reach your school. ठीक है, एक हफ्ता लग जाता है, करीब एक हफ्ता लग जाता है। ओके, डिपेंड्स फ्रॉम स्कूल टू स्कूल अगेन। ओके, सम schools are there in the remote area, so it takes little time for the mark sheet to reach your school. So I'm giving a minimum of 7 days. It could take 7 days to 10 days, even maybe less also. कम टाइम भी लग सकता है। तो अब जो मार्कशीट आप डाउनलोड करेंगे, the mark sheet that you are going to download from the internet will be your provisional mark sheet, माने temporary mark sheet. Okay, it's going to be a temporary mark sheet that is going to help you in taking admission. Okay, immediate admission in class 11. ठीक है, whether it is art, science or commerce, but that provisional mark sheet, that temporary mark sheet is going to help you in taking admission. But remember that you have to submit your original mark sheet also after you receive that. Immediately after you receive your original mark sheets, you will have to submit the original mark sheets in your respective higher secondary schools or colleges, okay, wherever you're taking admission. Alright, when you receive your mark sheets, and this is very important, okay, जब आप अपना mark sheets receive करेंगे, when you will receive your mark sheets, please check all the details, thoroughly, okay, properly, the spelling of your name, your roll number, your registration number. If registration number is given on the mark sheet, generally registration number is not given on the mark sheet. But still, if there is any spelling mistake on your mark sheet, okay, or if there is any problem with your marks or something that is not tallying with the internet thing, okay, internet downloaded mark sheet, immediately contact Embose. Embose actually issues notifications for corrections. Okay, you can visit the Embose website and you can check their notice for corrections. You can correct your names and do it immediately. आप देर बिल्कुल मत कीजिए. Okay, don't delay in correcting your names if there is any spelling mistake in anywhere, roll number or marks or the spelling of your name or whatever it is. Okay, don't delay in doing the corrections. Okay, अगर ऐसा कुछ mistake निकला अगर, तो आप बिल्कुल देर मत कीजिए, आप immediately जो है Embose से contact कीजिए. Okay, through their website you will find the amount that is required for correction के लिए एक amount लगता है. Okay, you can check that from the Embose website itself and you can approach Embose and you can get it corrected and do it immediately. आप इसको immediately कीजिएगा, delay बिल्कुल मत कीजिएगा, बाद में जाके आपको दिक्कत होगा. Later on there will be difficulty. Okay, so if there is any mistake in the mark sheet, original mark sheet, I'm talking of the original mark sheet, alright, that comes from Embose to your school and you have to go to your school and collect your original mark sheets. The way you have collected your admit cards, जिस तरीके से आप लोगों ने अपना admit cards collect किया था स्कूल से, उसी तरीके से आप अपना mark sheets भी collect करेंगे स्कूल से. तो आप वहीं पे स्कूल में ही आप अपना spellings properly check कर लीजिए. Okay, whether according to your admit card, the spelling of your name is tallying with the original mark sheet. आप उसको मैच कर लीजिए, टैली कर लीजिए. अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम होता है वहाँ पे, कुछ मिस्टेक अगर निकलता है वहाँ पे, इमीडिएटली अपने प्रिंसिपल से कांटेक्ट कीजिए. और यू हैव टू गो, एक्चुअली स्कूल्स कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग, यू हैव टू डू इट थ्रू द Embose वेबसाइट ओनली. आप Embose वेबसाइट में जाके उसका पूरा जो है डिटेल्स चेक कर सकते हैं. यू कैन चेक द डिटेल्स एंड I will help you if there is anything like that. I'll make a video. You let me know if there is any problem. Okay, then I'll make a video on how to proceed with this correction thing. ठीक है, ये corrections आप कैसे करेंगे इसके बारे में मैं आपको help कर दूंगा. And not only your mark sheet, but you are going to get a certificate also, and that certificate is very very important. That is called a pass certificate. उसे हम कहते हैं pass certificate. तो apart from the mark sheet, you will also get a pass certificate. That pass certificate is very very important. Later on it will be important when you apply for jobs, because in jobs they ask pass certificates also, and that is compulsory. So that pass certificate, there also you check the spellings and other things. Okay, everything, all the details you check very nicely. ठीक है, वो सारा चीज जो आप बिल्कुल अच्छे से चेक कर लीजिएगा. ठीक है. So finally results are going to be announced on 10th of June. All the best to all the students, class 12 arts and class 10 students. Good luck to all of you. May all of you be successful. May all of you score very very good marks and make your parents, your teachers, your relatives, your friends proud. All right. And you see, as I said that I said that last Friday result was expected, but then I said if not Friday, then by next week, that means this week, your results will be confirmed, and it is confirmed. Okay, so by this week you are going to get your result, which is the day after tomorrow, 10th of June. Okay, so finally all the best to all of you. May all of you score very 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 good marks, and as I said, make your parents and teachers and relatives and friends and everybody, even me also, proud. Okay, so that's all from me for today. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please don't forget to share the video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the like button so that I get motivation to make more such wonderful, beautiful, informative videos for all of you. With love from Omnigyan, and all the best to all of you once again. Thank you.